Alright, everything is attached. The Barrel Exhaust Rogue 2.0 Midpipe DeCat installed on the US 2024 Duke 390 Gen 3. Sounds pretty spicy.
Alright, so after about 2.5-3 days of riding the bike with the new DeCat on, what do I think about it? What do I notice? Right off the bat, I thought it was going to be louder, especially at an idle. It's not that much louder. I would say just at an idle, maybe 5 to 10% louder, which I'm okay with. That's actually fantastic. It's already pretty loud with the slip-on.